Hey guys, Chica here. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a reaction video. Welcome to episode 15th, I think, of the reaction videos. Anyway, so pretty much what I'm going to be reacting to is this video that was posted on September 25th in 2007. Okay, never mind, it's only September 14th. Anyways, it's a really old video, so I wouldn't expect the quality to be that good. Anyways, what we're going to be doing is reacting to this 2 minutes and 14-second video. So I'm pretty sure what I'm going to be doing is suffering through it. Because, well, if it's the most annoying sound in the world, then it's probably going to be on repeat. I'm just surprised that people were posting like this year or whatever. Just kind of whack. I wonder what the oldest comment on here is. Jesus, there's too many freaking comments from this year. Oh my gosh, wait. What was that? Okay, I thought I seen a freaking comment with Super Foxy's profile on it, but I don't think it was. Anyways, let's get on with this and suffer through this. If you ain't crazy, you're gonna be it. Oh God.
Did you want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Wait, why do I have it on speed? Why do I have it two times speed? Okay, let me just do it on regular speed now. I want to see how it's gonna freaking be.
Did you want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Kind of. Okay, it's just a loop. So far it's not bothering me, but if I'm being honest, you guys, it kind of sounds like you could, if you add like a drum or other stuff to it, it would like sound like music. It kind of already does. We're just started. Oh God. In the meantime of me getting annoyed, me asleep, my parrot in 3 in the morning. Mr.Hippo, Jesus. Finally, something that will put my kid to sleep. What? I was just okay, I don't know what you're about to do, but don't mute. I was just searching for a song. I played this in front of my dog. Rest in peace, phone. Jesus. No one, literally no one, me dancing to this song. It's not even a song, it's just a sound. No one, literally no one, me jamming to the whole time and not getting annoyed at all. Imagine if this was 1 hour though. I mean, not gonna lie, that'd probably be way annoying. The sound my microwave makes at 3 AM. Jeez. Almost there. Alright, so we're halfway through this, you guys. My siblings, 150. I'm gonna mute my ears now. Jeez. I was legit laughing for 5 minutes straight, and now my stomach hurts. Wait, but how were you laughing for 5 minutes? It was 2 minutes long. I mean, unless you were laughing after the video. But I mean, so far, you guys, it's not really affecting me like it should be. Probably because I'm talking and not really paying attention to it. Congratulations, you wasted 2 minutes of your life. Well, I guess so. Well, anyways, guys, I have a challenge for you all, and if I were you, just go to the search bar and then look up the most annoying sound ever. And if you want to suffer, like, I don't know, 12, 2, 9, 8, 3, 2, 1 hour long, or minutes long, hours long, or whatever, then go suffer through it, you guys. And let me know how long you lasted before getting annoyed. But like I was saying, like, subscribe, do whatever you want, and I hope you enjoy this video. Bye-bye.